All right, page 499. They provide another example up at the top of talking about apple juice and apples, right? So it's how many grams of apples are needed to make 1 liter of apple juice. We need to use the information of knowing 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. So 2 kilograms would equal 2,000 grams because of the 1-to-1 ratio, 2-to-2 ratio. And then we can make a connection that 2 kilograms of apples makes 1 liter of juice. So 2 kilograms equals 1 liter. Then 2 grams would be converted to 2 kilograms, and 2 kilograms makes 1 liter. So 2,000 grams would also make 1 liter of apple juice. Mass is the amount of matter that something contains, all right? We're going to have to think about our metric units and what they're used to measure. So looking back at our anchor chart that we have made, all right, we've got distance or length. So you would use kilometers, meters, centimeters, miles, yards, feet. When you're talking about capacity and volume, usually liquid or air, you're going to use liter, milliliters, gallons, ounces, quarts, pints, cups, things like that. Then when you have mass and weight, you're going to use kilograms and grams, milligrams, pounds, and ounces. And then we have time as well with days, years, hours, minutes, seconds. All right, so keeping this in mind, we're going to answer the questions on this page. Do you understand? What metric unit would you use to measure your mass? All right, my mass, I'm going to use, that's going to be under the category mass and weight. So I would measure myself in any of these type, but we usually get measured in pounds. So I'm going to put pounds on mine. Then it says the amount of blood in your body. So what metric unit would you use to measure the amount of blood in your body? Well, that's going to be volume. So it's not mass anymore. That one's volume, right? So I would use my mass, pounds, my blood is volume. So I could say I'm going to measure it in liters. All right, because there's a lot of it. All right, question 2. We're going to continue converting. 6 grams equals how many milligrams? I know also from my anchor chart that 1 gram equals 1,000 milligrams. So it's the 1-to-1 ratio. So 1 gram equals 1,000 milligrams. So 6 grams would equal 6,000 milligrams. All right, from my anchor chart, I know that 1 liter is the same as 1,000 milliliters. Sorry, I got lost again. Milliliters, it's a long word to spell. 1 liter is the same as 1,000 milliliters. So it's the 1-to-1 ratio again. 9 liters is the same as 9,000 milliliters. Alrighty. Similar to question 1, we're going to identify what metric unit we'd use to measure each of these. So, a medicine pill. We're going to figure out what that one needs to be measured by. A medicine pill is usually not a liquid, but it's an actual hard substance, so it has weight and mass. So, usually medicine is weighed with grams or milligrams. So, I'm going to say what metric unit? Grams. All right, then the next one, it wants to know the ink pen. Ink pen, that is liquid, so I would use capacity and volume, and that's probably going to be ounces, all right, or milliliters. So let's do milliliters. And then the mass of a pencil, oh good, this one tells me mass, and so I'll probably do milligrams for this one because it's not very big. The mass of a pencil will probably be in milligrams. For number 7 through 10, we're going to do that conversion just like question 2 and 3. All right, 5 kilograms is the same as how many grams? I know 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. So I'm going to apply that up here. 1 times 5 would be 5. So 5 times 1,000 would be 5,000. All right, question number 8. 1 liter is the same as 1,000 milliliters. So this would be 2,000. 1 gram equals 1 milligram. So this would be 4. Excuse me. Ooh, I just got comfortable in my thoughts there. Keep me on my toes. 1,000 milligrams. So this would be 4,000 milligrams. And then question 10, 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. So that would be 9,000. 9 times 1,000 would be 9,000.